现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT, where in this episode, we're going to go on a journey with Wing Lo and take this transportation that you should be familiar with. Take a listen.
思念故乡的爱你，想要陪在你身边。
Yep, those are the sounds of a train running on its track. But for Wing Lo, it's the sound of returning home. You know, the song is called Nam Ha Liet Cha, which literally means southbound train. And that's the direction he's taking it to. And he knows when he's taking the train that all his memories are going to be waiting for him to come back and accepting him. Let's continue to listen to Nam Ha Liet Cha.
夏夜風，吹面紅，衝天到故鄉的鄉。 水茫茫，上滿你孤獨可望。當你光照心房，一杯茶甜小濃，花光一般木子跌落兩三紅。 漂流在思念的河，南下列車帶愛轉移困心愛嘅你，數款悲傷失念能講不出嘅心情，雖然渴望變多出人條體，眼淚歸笑真當時。 列車飛在風中，像一粒流星，飛過都市，飛過殘花，飛過月光明，用台語甲客語唱出心情，要回來你身邊。
这是一首罗文玉的《南下列茶》南下列车，表达出他对故乡的思念。搭着这个火车啊，穿越都市、商田，还有河川，载着北漂游子的思念，返回心爱人的身边的歌哦。All right, another great song on ICRT. Hope you like it. And I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.